Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe customer portal access for your app. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Stripe customer portal access for your app, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Stripe dashboard, where you can manage settings and integrations. Access the Developers section from the left sidebar. Select API keys to retrieve your publishable key and secret key. In a secure environment, save these keys for future use in your application. Next, ensure you have the Stripe library installed in your development environment. You can use package managers like npm or yarn to add the library to your project. Set up a new route in your application for handling customer portal sessions. This route will create a session with Stripe's API when hit. Include the necessary libraries and initialize Stripe with your secret key. Create a function that accepts user information and creates a customer portal session. Be sure to include the user's Stripe customer ID when making the request. Make a request to the Stripe API using the stripe.billingportal.sessions.create method. Specify the return URL where users will be redirected after managing their billing. Handle the response by extracting the session URL provided by Stripe. Send this URL back to your application, ensuring it is presented to the user. Test your setup thoroughly to ensure that users can access the customer portal without issues. Monitor the logs in your Stripe dashboard for any errors or issues that arise during testing. Once confirmed, you can roll out the feature to all users in your app. Keep documentation on hand for any future changes or updates needed for the integration. Finally, stay updated with Stripe's API documentation for any new features or best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.